and a big smile. And
If you would please tell us why you came to this clinic in the first place.
Well, I was recommended by my son having my sciatica in a very painful way. And when I came to him, I didn't know the bad state of my spine. It was in a really bad shape. I didn't know how bad. But then through the x-rays and the expertise of Michael, he explained my whole situation. And it's been over a year of the treatment, which for me has been very successful, really positive. And I've been moving from probably 2 to 9 now. So we're almost there.
So when you say 2 to 9, you mean you are 90% recovered?
Yes, more than 90%. I should say probably 95. As it goes now, definitely I'm pain-free, which it was a lot of discomfort, especially in the back of my neck.
So what symptoms did you have initially? You had sciatica?
I have sciatica. I used to have a lot of sharp pains here, but not constant. But my neck, it was really bad. And that was affecting my head, a lot of headaches. I couldn't move at all my neck. And, it went through my head a lot of things. Do I have a tumor? What's happening with my head? Doctor sent me for an CT scan for my brain. Everything was clear. But obviously I was really worried because I knew something was wrong until I came to see Michael, and then I found out obviously how my spine was affecting my whole body in different ways. My balance, it was really bad. The back, very painful sciatica. I had headaches and no movement in my neck. So it's been very, very dramatic change. As I said, probably 95% now.
So you are doing exercises as well, yeah?
Yes, they send me always, they build up set of exercise every time, which now I do them. And the last one Michael sent me is just the band to just straighten
Strengthening the neck curve.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'm doing it, and I think it has been a great improvement.
So what has been the biggest revelation for you? What is the thing that you have felt has been the most successful part of the treatment?
I think there's so many things together. Is your expertise, the way you have set your clinic with the gym, the type of treatment you follow in the dream and in the gym, I'm sorry, and plus what I follow at home as well. So it's a set of different things that when you combine them together, obviously it's a great improvement. And another thing is it teach me how to understand my body, connecting with my spine, and the side effects that I used to have, like my breathing used to be really bad, short when I was walking fast, and I was thinking, oh, it's my heart, it's my lungs. But now I don't have that problem. Digestion has to improve. I think as well the balance, because I remember when first I came to Michael, in the period of 1 week, I have 3 falls, and I told him that. And he got really concerned about it, and he said, you need...
And you have no more falls now?
Yeah, obviously I became insecure about my balance, and I used to feel a lot of difference with my balance. Now I'm very confident, very confident.
This is a really good example of how getting movement into the spine in the mature population, teaching exercises, strength and posture really help to avoid those actually unnecessary falls by being far more secure in the stance, the muscle control and the balance. In this particular case, it has been a relatively long journey because we started from such a low point with a lot of low back pain, intermittent sciatica, and literally only a few degrees of head movement, neck rotation. But I'm very pleased to hear how well you're feeling. That's amazing. Let's get you adjusted, and then you can go up and have your traction if you like to lie on your front.
Yes.
Good. Take a big breath in and out. And again, big breath in and out. Beautiful. Big breath in and out. And lie on your back, please. And relax completely there.
And a big smile.
Or see me.
And the massive family smile here. And relax. Beautiful. Please come up. So now we're gonna look at the traction that has been so successful in helping this lovely lady changing her physical ability, getting rid of the pain, and have a much better quality of life. There's a lot of things happening here. So this lady has what is called an anterolisthesis of her L4 on L5 and L5 on the sacrum. In addition to that, she has what is called an increased sacral base angle. So basically, her lumbar spine has got too much curvature. That has put immense stress on the joints in the low back and has caused her to have stress on the facet joints, the joints at the back of the spine. So a long-term stress situation has developed in this scenario. So we are now seeing my colleague here setting her up to reduce the steepness of her sacrum and to reduce the forward slippage of the two lower vertebrae in her spine. This is a very technical setup, and it's something that in the beginning is very, very challenging for the patient. However, as the patient start feeling the benefit of the combination of the traction, the adjustment, and home exercises, the patient actually loves being put into this position. Further, we are doing cervical traction because the lady had lost her cervical curvature. So we are using the yellow thing you see here is what is called a D-roll. It's a very small D-roll. And we then start loading the head with a harness attached to weights. So we're using the yellow D-roll, as you can see, as a fulcrum, and we are creating a backwards force into the neck, and that's what's helped to get rid of the headache, the constant tension up along the spine, and it's over time changing the angulation of the joints in the neck. This is a very, very challenging traction.